The 4 best exercise at home that can sweat your body. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell to get notification for every video we upload. 1. Push up. Targets: chest, arms, shoulders, and core. You can build upper body strength as well as core strength with the push-up. There are many variations of this exercise. Beginners can start with an easier variation, while advanced exercisers can use a more challenging variation. A push-up can be incorporated into a bodyweight workout, a circuit training workout, or a strength training workout. So, how to do a push-up? Position your hands just wider than your shoulders. Get on all fours and place your hands on the floor. Keeping the elbows slightly bent is the best way to avoid locking them out. Put your feet hip-width apart, then extend your legs back until you are balanced on your hands and toes. Keeping your belly button close to your spine will tighten your abs and keep you in shape. Taking a deep breath, bend your elbows until your elbows are at 90 degrees and lower yourself to the ground. Exhale, then contract your chest muscles and push up with your hands to return to the start position. During the entire push-up, keep your core tight. Make sure that you maintain a straight line from head to toe, without arching your back or sagging in the middle. 2. Squat jump. Targets: butt, hips, legs, thighs. An athlete's vertical jump can be improved by squat jumps and plyometric jumps, 2 basic drills that increase agility and power. Exercises such as this are used to develop skill in the vertical jump, the high jump, the long jump, and box jumps. It can either be done as a single exercise or as a combination of exercises that include other movements before or after the jump. These drills are used by some coaches to help athletes improve their technique during full squat lifting. Since squat jumps can be performed without any equipment in a small area, they make an excellent home workout exercise. You can use them to add high-intensity intervals to cardio workouts. How to do squat jump. A dynamic power move such as this one should be performed only after you have warmed up. Position yourself with feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent. Bend your knees and descend into the full squat position. Engage the glutes, quads, and hamstrings, and propel the body upwards and off of the ground using the legs. With the legs fully extended, the feet will be a few inches, or more, off the floor. Then, descend into the squat again for another explosive jump. By going through your foot, toes, ball, arches, heel, in a controlled manner. Immediately follow your landing with another jump. It will depend on your goals how many squat jumps you perform per set. If you are trying to increase power and improve your vertical jump, you should aim for higher and more explosive jumps. Only 5 repetitions per set for 3 to 4 sets may be enough for you. If you want general conditioning, you have to jump more and do them faster. 3. Mountain climber. Targets: full body, but especially the arms, shoulders, quads, and core. Most people feel intimidated by climbing a mountain. But what if the mountain is the floor? This is the concept behind mountain climbers. Performing this move from a plank position, you'll alternate bringing one knee to your chest, then bringing it back out again as you speed up, running against the floor each time. This move seems simple, but mountain climber exercises almost every muscle of your body and raises your heart rate. The mountain climber can be easily incorporated into your morning routine. At home, the gym, while you are traveling, or even in the break room at work. It's a great exercise for beginners, but more experienced exercisers can spice it up with variations. How to do mountain climber. If you are just starting out, try the classic variation. Position yourself in a plank position, making sure you distribute your weight evenly between your hands and toes. Make sure your form is proper, the hands should be about shoulder width apart. Your back flat, abs engaged, and your head positioned straight. Attempt to pull your right knee into your chest as far as possible. Switch legs, pulling out one knee, and bringing the other knee in. Your hips should remain flat and your knees should run as far and fast as possible. Each time you change legs, alternate exhaling and inhaling. Depending on how intensely you're focused, you may find yourself holding your breath. Remember to breathe. 4. Reverse crunch. Targets: abdominals. A reverse crunch is a variation of the popular abdominal crunch for intermediate levels. The upper body stays on the mat, and move your legs towards your chest by contracting your abs. Using this exercise, you will attack each layer of the rectus abdominis muscle from the deepest part of your lower abs. You can add this bodyweight exercise to any abdominal or core workout or use it as part of a total body workout. How to do reverse crunch. Turn face up on the mat and place your arms by your sides. You can hold them close to your body or extend them comfortably to use for balance. Bend your legs at the knee and brace your abs to slowly raise your legs, so the knees are directly over your hips, and your lower legs are parallel to the floor, bent 90 degrees. Here we are at the starting point. As you firmly press your back against the floor, brace your abdominal muscles, and maintain a neutral spine position with a slight natural curve in the lumbar area. When you bend your knees and hips, exhale while curling them toward your chest with only your hips coming off the mat. During this upward phase, your knees should remain at the same angle. Maintain a straight line with your head, and keep your neck and shoulders relaxed while on the mat. Hold when you can't curl without coming off the mat. Take a deep breath in, bend your knees 90 degrees, and slowly return to the starting position with your hips back on the mat and your knees over your hips. As you get stronger, you can increase the repetitions to 10 for 3 sets. Alright, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please tap the like button, leave the comment below, share our channel to your friend. We need more subscriber to grow our channel.